how good is this, guys? How unreal is this? Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of All Time Adventures. On this episode, we're up in the Daintree, exploring this amazing rainforest, one of the world's largest rainforests in the world, enjoying the beautiful waterfalls. How good is this, guys? Noah's Beach all to ourselves. The whole beach, the whole way from up there all the way to up there. Whole beach to ourselves. If you guys ever come up far north Queensland, make sure you tick this one off the bucket list. Noah's Beach. Only $7 a night per person, but this is unreal. Look, I'm a lifeguard, but I'm not going for a swim because I know what's in there. Here are Ganges. 5 stings this week, 5 stings. So, look, might have to use the good old kick-ass hot water system tonight for the shower. So, yeah, me and Chloe are gonna start a fire, kick back and relax. Ew. This is what it's all about. Got the fire going. Chloe's got the drone up, getting some good footage. So, Noah's Beach for you guys. Unreal spot. Put this on your bucket list. We finally got Chloe up. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we just made coffees in our new coffee cups, and we're about to head down the beach and just go for a little walk up and down, see what today's like. It's not as hot today, but you can definitely feel it starting to heat up. But let me just show you. So right now, head over to alltimeadventures.com and grab your double insulated hot and cold travel mug. We got these 2 days ago and we have used them non-stop. We absolutely love them. So head over to alltimeadventures.com. We got a black and a blue one, so stay tuned, more coming. This is only 10 meters away from our campsite. Yeah, look at that.
Ooh, our fire's out.
So we just arrived at Mason's swimming hole. It's just up there. It's a $1 entry, so we're just gonna put in a little tin, $1, and we're gonna go check it out.
Yeah, we saw lots of fish and stuff in there yesterday, which is pretty cool.
We're just walking to Mason's swimming hole now. It's down this little alleyway. You wouldn't expect it, but it just leads you into like the middle of the bush, doesn't it, Chloe?
Yeah, it's only like a 30-second walk from the car.
Yeah, so it's only a 30-second walk from the car, and it leads you into this little bush thing. And we'll show you right now. And it literally, you walk like this for like maybe 5 meters.
Look at that!
And
no one!
Not a single soul. How good is this? Is this ready?
Simba.
Mason swimming holes, guys. How beautiful is this? Good shower after last night. Didn't actually use the hot water system. We're a bit lazy.
All right. Just packed up and just gonna run you guys up. I believe I just heard thunder, so I believe that there is a storm that's just rolled over. Welcome to the tropics. Yep. Damn. Can you guys see that?
On the road, just to have a look at this peacock. Yeah, how big they are. How nice is that? Sticker one for the sign. First one and the new stickers. Yay! Bloomfield Track. Here we come. Four-wheel drive is engaged. We've got it. Miss Frothy Ken Oath. Stubby cooler hop over the top. But yeah, Bloomfield, here we go. Little creek crossing. Well, not little, it's like a puddle. But usually this is normally pretty full in the middle of the year, so we're at the end of the season, start of the wet season, so it's really dry. Everything's just dry before it starts to rain every day. So yeah. Oh, she's bumpy. I'll show you what you mean. This is just a little bed. It's about knee high, so that is beautiful. There's a crocodile sign over there, so I should probably keep walking. Definitely steep. She's steep. I don't know how people get caravans and stuff up here. Slapping her in low range because we've got no brakes. Don't tell anyone.
Down.
Down, yeah. 20% up, 23% down.
31%, guys. Steep.
This is 31%.
But of course, GoPro will never do it justice.
Nah. Oh my god, I'm like sitting back like in my seat.
Crazy.
This is crazy. And we're still going. Oh my god.
To say shout out to anyone who drags campers through here.
Yeah, definitely. Hey, shout out to travelling campers who trode a bloody caravan through here. Oh my god.
Oh, bloody oath, get into it. Love it.
Love
Holy moly, look at that one, Maddie.
I know.
Woo!
Woo!
Oh.
Bloomfield Track is pretty easy, like in regards to forward driving. It's mainly just like a couple little water crossings and just big steep hills, hey?
Yeah, it's just like a family-friendly CREB track.
Yeah, pretty much. It's just less clay and less mud.
Yeah, I definitely wouldn't tow anything again, it being wet.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just with that 32% climb.
Yeah.
That weight would really...
you would struggle with it definitely.
Yeah, it's just the weight.
Yeah, depending on what car you have as well, and how well equipped it is.
And if you're locked.
And if you're, yeah, like not even locked. You just have the power behind you to get your car up there with a caravan or trailer.
Definitely a front locker would help though.
Yeah, definitely. I reckon a lot of people's come through here with a couple of campers and caravans, but it's definitely a family track.
Definitely.
It's a family track, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so definitely you don't need anything really too special to go on this track. You just enough clearance and a I don't know, normal tyres, you pretty much get through this.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, so if you definitely think of coming up here, don't be scared of Bloomfield Track. It's nothing to be worried about. It's very easy to get through and you absolutely love it up here. You'll have the time of your life. Won't you, Chloe?
Yeah.
Concentration face.
Yeah, and you might even see a cassowary or two.
Nah. I'm trying to show you guys on the GoPro, but it's just not working with how steep it is. Just the camera does not do it justice. Like we're literally like I could be doing that. That's how I'm leaning forward. That's how steep this is. Drone battery.
Look at this view. Let's see if me and Matt can find where we wrote our names last.
But there's Matt and Belle and Mel. I think it's up here. Oh, yeah. Look, there it is. There it is. Cape York. June 2022.
That's so cool. This place is pretty well known. If you write your name on the wall, they guarantee in years and years' time that it still will be here.
With Miss Frothy.
I absolutely love his designs.
Get on Ken Oath. Get Miss Frothy into your lion's den. Miss Frothy.
Set up for the night.
We're still recording. Hopefully Sunny's back on.
I think it's time to show everyone the new addition.
What's the new addition?
The fridge!
Oh yeah, you guys want to see the new fridge? Come here. Absolutely love this thing. This thing is unreal. Look at this.
Woohoo!
So yeah, it pretty much fits everything we need for this weekend. Too many beers, but gets too many beers unfortunately. Nah. But yeah, this will all be carpet soon. Just didn't have a chance to do it this week, unfortunately. But yeah, thank you guys at Bushman so much. Can't thank you enough. Looks unreal. Yeah, baby. How good's the pizza? Good morning, guys. We are making coffee for our last day here. We are going to spend a big day exploring the Daintree, things that we didn't do, hey. So we're going to go to the back, they're going to go the same way we came up, and we're going to stop at the things we missed. So hopefully we can get a bit more content in for you today.
And
we just
the
made
famous ice cream, we've been told by a few people even here last night, did you miss it? And we did say yes. So like, no, you need to do that.
Yeah, so we're going to go back and do the Daintree ice cream thing. Apparently it's to die for.
Yeah.
Can't say no to ice cream.
A few locals in Cairns also talk about it, and everyone's talking up this ice cream and literally say it's the best in the whole of Australia.
I know.
And they have really bizarre flavourings, so you're going to put your big boy
Yeah, it's like fruit flavouring, but it's ice cream. We're going out.
And it's
Wouldn't that be a sorbet?
Fruit that Australia like don't even have available.
Like South African fruits and stuff.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll take you guys down to
the lake.
Yeah.
If you guys don't realise, if you've been to Lion's Den before, there's actually a river that runs at the back here, and
it's
you can
actually
actually swim in
way
it.
bigger and more safe than I thought.
Yeah, me and Chloe were actually swimming in yesterday, RV, so we're gonna go down,
nice.
show you around, check it out.
Yeah.
But first, coffee. So we just got down to the river, and we'll show you guys what we mean about how nice this river is. So yeah, this is a freshwater creek that runs down here. Just be careful though, there has been freshwater crocodiles that have been spotted here.
Apparently they're really lovely and small.
Yeah, they only are small, but there is crocodile, like freshies in this water, so just be careful every time you do come down here. Try and swim in between like the rocks up here, up in like a little spa kind of bath bit, so it's just not no still water like this. That's just a good tip, because obviously worse ways to die. There's no worse way to die than a crocodile, I find. But yeah, so there's like a nice little like spa bit in there that you can climb into just this way. You can go in there. But yeah, beautiful. It's actually nice and warm too for a freshwater creek. It's weird. It's very warm. But yeah, we'll get the drone up and show you around.
Whoa, balance.
Yeah. Slippery. Everything's slippery.
That's what I was saying, go over that side. Woo! Woo! Mads!
Just like that. That's slippery. So we met an absolute amazing couple last night, and they've given us a little secret waterfall hole that we are heading to now, just north of Lion's Den. And we couldn't honestly find the road. It's Mount Amos road you got to take. It's just this dirt road, and you've got to follow it all the way through to this Teverton Creek waterfall. So we're excited. Apparently it's the most amazing waterfall, and not many people know about it. So
Yeah, 5 minutes away from the Lion's Den, and Hayley, I believe, she said that it was one of the most beautiful waterfalls she's ever seen.
yeah, she absolutely loved it.
And they have been travelling on the road for 6 months, so we
trust them.
Yeah, we trust them. We want to go check it out, so we'll take you guys along with us.
Falls, and we have to walk up this little hill.
Yeah.
It's only like a 2-minute walk to the falls. Like, I can literally hear them from here. Like, that's how amazing these waterfalls are, apparently.
I know, isn't it crazy? I did not know that waterfalls would be near the Lion's Den.
At all.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you just gotta walk up this little hill. The track's just over there. There's the car park. Yeah. So this is a little walking track that you've got to take. So you've got to go up the hill, about halfway up the hill, hey Chloe, and then turn right. and you'll see the little track. The track actually is pretty hard to find, so just watch yourself when you guys read maps. Try and get off-road maps when you guys come up here, but it's very hard to get service trying to find these little tracks to find these waterfalls. Alright, have a look at this place.
Oh, isn't that amazing?
That's crazy. This is unreal. Tanavan Creek Falls, guys.
This is seriously a 10-minute drive from the Lion's Den.
This is unreal. We can't wait to get in. Let's go for a swim.
Fake. It looks like blue dye is literally in this. How beautiful is that? No. Don't.
Put it in two-wheel drive and send it. Righto, Mayo. Mayo giving us a good bit of advice. Oh, I'm getting stuck on something, hun.
Don't be like Mayo, guys.
Don't be like Mayo and put it in two-wheel drive. No, do be like Mayo.
I feel like we're twinning you guys every time.
All right, we've arrived. Sorry. We have arrived. Daintree Ice Cream Co. So that was called, wasn't it? Yeah. So we're about to decide what flavours we're about to have.
I want to get something I can't pronounce and that I haven't tried, because I believe they do like fruit here from like fruit that's from South Africa, and so let's try something different.
Yeah.
But $10, Matt will get chocolate.
What do we got, Chloe? Coconut and jackfruit. Which one's which again? Alright, I'm not going to record it.
This is the passion fruit,
Yeah.
jackfruit, wattle seeds, and coconut oil.
We've got the four flavours in one cup. You know
Can
what?
we all just start by, I'm just going to expose Matt here. Matt doesn't eat fruit, so I'm really proud of you that you got, well, you only had
I didn't
one
get
option.
chocolate. I didn't get
You
chocolate.
didn't get an option, because they only have two options, fruit or fruit. So
Yeah,
I'm
ice
really
cream.
proud of you, babe. So we're going to watch Matt eat fruit, which is all of our good friends know that that's so huge for Matt to do.
Which one's which again? Which one's the coconut one?
I'd rather you just like have a little go at anyone you feel that looks pleasing to try. Guys, that's so huge. I'm proud of you.
I can't do that one. I can't do that one. We're going to battle on. Chloe likes the passion fruit one, and I like the coconut and, what is it? Wattle seed.
Wattle.
Wattle seed. Why do I keep saying wattle? It says it's W-A. W-A-T-T-L-E, isn't it?
What? Oh.
Wattle. Nah.
Wattle or waddle, guys?
Honestly,
I don't
guys,
even know.
Honestly, I don't normally eat fruit, and I don't like fruit ice cream. But it's probably the best I've ever had, not gonna lie.
Did you hear?